it's solder. Really great. And basically with the flight controller, that's it. We're just going to go ahead and solder up the wires now, and we'll be done. It's really that simple. So we're going to go ahead and start with the camera. And as you can tell, here's the camera, ground, and 5 volt, which are those right there, which are going to be these 3 right here. Now, if you're right-handed, I always recommend you start from the left side and move to the right. And if you're left-handed, start from the right side and move to the left, because it just makes it easier to move that way. So let's go ahead and start with, it's going to be camera, ground, 5 volts. So we have our camera wire here. I'm going to remove the paper so we get better exposure here. All right. So we said it was going to be camera. So we're going to go ahead and set the camera wire, which is the yellow wire always from your camera. If you have the wire that came with the camera, hopefully you do. And next is going to be ground. So we're going to go ahead and grab ground. And what I'm going to do is I like to lay the wire on the pad first, and then just come in with the soldering iron and just push it down nice and gently. These pads are a bit close to each other, but if you're just patient enough, you can do it. I don't think you will need tweezers, but depending on your skills, you might need some tweezers. So, there we go. Alright, so we're just going to double check if that looks great. Not the best. So just like that, we have them into place. I can do a better job, but this is going to do just fine. So we have camera, ground, 5 volt. Ground is always black, 5 volts always red or power, and then yellow is always the video. So let's go ahead and move on to the receiver now. So here we have the receiver, and looking at the documentation, the first pad over here is going to be ground.